How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. What I'm going to be doing today is I'm going to be making a rotisserie chicken panini sandwich. Lots of good stuff. Very simple, but bloody delicious. It's got tarragon in it. It's got sun-dried tomatoes, mayonnaise, bacon. Delicious. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cook it in the toaster oven, and then I'm going to use the panini press. So I am looking forward to this one. Okay, very simple. I'm going to add some olive oil, plenty of salt, and then do that on the other side. Salt, then with a brush, just brush it. Alright, let's get this fella in. Yes. I think I've got it. Nice. Okay, let's scroll down to the rotisserie. I'm going to do this 380. Oh, for about an hour and 10. I'll see what it is there. High fan. Oh. Let's go. Is it moving? Is she moving? Is she moving? Yes. Look at that baby. So I'm going to be making a little mayonnaise combo with mayonnaise, sun-dried tomatoes, tarragon, salt and pepper. Very simple, but it packs a punch, I'm telling you. Okay, so into the bowl, some mayonnaise. And chop up some sun-dried tomatoes. Get it all nice and fine. Get that into the bowl. Pull off some tarragon leaves. I just love this. I just love the smell of tarragon. It's one of my favorites. Goes so well with fish, chicken, sauces. Goes well with anything really. And then just give that a light chop. And that goes into the bowl. Give that a good mix. Look at that, look at the colours. The greens, got the reds. Smells good. Tastes good as well. So at the end, just season to taste. Touch of salt. And a little bit of pepper. And that's it. Look at that beauty. I've taken the string off so we can actually breathe. And I'm gonna let him rest. But that looks absolutely amazing. Look at this. Oh, look at that. Just look. Just look how juicy that is. Look at that. That's beautiful. I just want the dark meat for this sandwich. But yes. Got to take a little bit of this off. Have a taste. Oh man, that's gorgeous. Okay, so I'm going to start getting my bacon in. That smells good. I want like a smoky element in this sandwich. Okay, so I've got my bacon cooking over there. And over here I've got some really good bread. My mayonnaise mix. Cheese, Havarti cheese. My chicken. And some salami. And this is going to be good. Simple, but packed full of flavour. So let's get that out. There. The sizzle. The sizzle. Okay, so let's get our bread. Just slice slices. This beautiful chicken, and keep that skin. It's so moist. Definitely want that skin on the chicken, on the sandwich, sorry. Okay, so let me set this up. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. Let's get a little bit of butter on the bread. I'll turn over. Get my tomato and tarragon mayonnaise. It does smell really good. Next, I'm going to get some of that chicken skin from here. Chicken skin. And my chicken. That is so moist. It smells amazing. Then some salami. 2 slices. Now some bacon. Nice and crispy. I want to have some texture in this. And last, some cheese. That is a monster. Sandwich 1, sandwich 2, and let that just naturally press down. Look at that beauty right there. Look at that. It smells amazing, and you can definitely smell the tarragon. But yes, very happy with that. Crispy skin, chicken, gorgeous. Well, just got to tuck in. Give it a go. Look at that. So I can focus on that. Focus, focus. Yes. Man, that's good.